Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice algebra equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, we can multiply this directly. X times x, something as x raised to power 3 minus x times x, that's x raised to power 2, and equals to 48 on this side. The next step here, we take 48 to the left hand side. This becomes x raised to power 3 minus x raised to power 2 minus 48 and equals to 0 here. The next step here, we can express 48 as 64 minus 16. Then what we have here becomes x raised to power 3 minus x raised to power 2 minus into bracket 64 minus 16 this bracket equals to 0 here. This here minus open this bracket, we have x raised to power 3 minus x raised to power 2 minus 64 then plus 16 equals to 0 here. Then here we can express 64 as 4 times 4 times 4, that's 4 raised to power 3, and also 16 as 4 times 4, which is 4 square. Then what we have here becomes x raised to power 3 minus x raised to power 2 minus 4 raised to power 3 plus 4 raised to power 2 equals to 0 here. Then here we bring the power of 3 together. We have x raised to power 3 minus 4 raised to power 3 and also the power of 2 together minus x raised to power 2 plus 4 raised to power 2 equals to 0 here. Then this same thing as x raised to power 3 minus 4 raised to power 3 into brackets. Then here minus is common. Factor it out, we have minus into brackets x raised to power 2 minus 4 raised to power 2 left here, close bracket, equals to 0 here. Then this first bracket follows when we have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, which is same thing as a minus b into bracket a squared plus ab plus b squared. And also this second bracket follows when we have a squared minus b squared, which can be expressed as a minus b into bracket, then open bracket a plus b. Then next step, this equation follow this and becomes x minus 4 into brackets, open bracket x squared plus 4x plus 4 square, close bracket, then minus also here, this becomes x minus 4 into bracket, also open bracket x plus 4, close bracket, then equals to 0 here. Then here, x minus 4 is common, factor it out and this becomes x minus 4 into brackets and open brackets. Here we are left with x squared plus 4x plus 4 squared as 16. Then this becomes minus into bracket x plus 4 left, close bracket, then close this bracket, equals to 0 here. That is here x minus open this bracket. We have x minus 4 into bracket, open bracket x squared plus 4x plus 16, then minus x minus 4, close bracket, equals to 0 here. Then next step, we have x minus 4 into bracket, open bracket x squared, 4x minus x give us plus 3x, then 16 minus 4, we have plus 12, close bracket, equals to 0 here. Then here, we have two possible cases, x minus 4 equals to 0, or we have x squared plus 3x plus 12 equals to 0 here. And solving on this side, we have x equals to 4, which is a real solution here. And here we have a quadratic equation where a equals to 1, b equals to 3, and c equals to 12. Then apply the quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And here we have x equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times 12 all over 2 times 1. And this here we have x equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 squared, that's 9, minus 4 times 1 times 12, that gives us 48, then all over 2 here. That is, here we have x equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 48, we have minus 39 all over 2, which also can be written as x equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 39 times minus 1 over 2. That is here. This follows when we have root a times b, can separate as root a times root b. Then here we have x equals to minus 3 plus or minus root 39 times root minus 1 all over 2. Then here this becomes x equals to minus 3 plus or minus root 39. Then root minus 1 is I over 2. That is, we have two complex solutions here. And therefore, altogether we have three solutions here. One real solution, two complex solutions. When we write it out, x1 equals to 4. x2 equals to minus 3 plus root 39I all over 2. And we have x3 equals to minus 3 minus root 39I all over 2. That is, we have three solutions here. One real and two complex solutions. When we check here in the equation given to us, that is x times x times x minus x times x equals to 48. When x equals to 4, this becomes 4 times 4 times 4 minus 4 times 4. Is it equals to 48 on this side? And here 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4, 64. Minus 4 times 4, 16. Is it equals to 48 on this side? When we subtract here, 64 minus 16, we have 48, which is equals to 48 here. Left hand side equals to the right hand side. That is here, x equals to 4 satisfy this given problem. When we check also for these two complex solutions, this also will satisfy. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell. Share this video, give it a thumbs up with your comment. See you next lesson. Bye for now.